mission, a passion, a spark that is inside all of us.
Hi, I'm Lucella.
Hi, I'm Wendy. Hi, I'm Ella. Hi, I'm Risa.
Hi, I'm Shani.
Hi, I'm Eliza.
The restless mind.
Why do hairstyle, bikes, and stadium keep changing? Why can't we find the perfect solution and stick with it? The answer: innovation will never stop. It's never about the right thing. It's about the next thing. It's an excerpt from the book, The Runaway Species, How Human Creativity Remakes the World. A book exploring human creativity, co-authored by David Eagleman and Anthony Grant. David Eagleman is your own neuroscientist and expert on the brain. He is also known for his groundbreaking work neuroscience, exploring perception, time, and the brain capacity from creativity and adaptation. Anthony Grant is a composer and professor in music. He brings an artistic perspective on the book, offering insight into human creativity manifests in music and art. Together, they examine how the human brain constantly innovates by reshaping and reinventing the world through the process of bending, breaking, and blending ideas. The book explores how this process shapes everything from scientific discoveries to artistic expression, allowing readers to understand from creative mind and how it constantly reshapes the world.
It is human nature to not be fully content in everything. We always want what is best, what is attractive, and what is new. This is where innovation and creativity come into play. Humans, as a species, have the unique ability to radically shape their surroundings and invent new realities through creative thinking. This capacity for constant innovation distinguishes us as a runaway species, meaning we've broken free from a typical evolutionary constraints. Therefore, creativity is important. But what is exactly creativity? Where is creativity found in our brain?
In neuroscience, creativity is considered as an innate human trait. The flexibility of our human brain, known as plasticity, allows for creativity to be learned and developed. The human brain has an average of 86 billion neurons. These neurons communicate with each other through connections called synapses, which transmit signals along axons, elongated parts of neurons that connect them like cables. In most animals, these connections are fixed, leading to automated behaviors. However, in the human brain, these connections are flexible, allowing us to learn, adapt, and consider more possibilities between a stimulus and a response. This flexibility, known as plasticity, is the expansion of the prefrontal cortex. Plasticity is the human ability to imagine and trade off paths, enhancing creativity.
Authors delve into the idea that creativity is a defining characteristic of humanity. They argue that it is not just artists and scientists who innovate, but also everyone engaged in creating something new. Creativity is portrayed as an essential survival skill that has propelled human advancement throughout the years. The authors emphasize that the act of innovating is a fundamental human drive, one that will never cease. Eagleman and Grant explain that human innovation is not just about creating something new from scratch. Instead, it involves reworking and reshaping existing ideas. This process of modification is inherent in how brain works, with its ability to bend, break, and blend various concepts, creating something unique. The authors detail how the brain processes information and the role it plays in fostering creativity. Explaining it in simple terms, the first one is bending. Bending refers to the minor modification of existing ideas. The second one is breaking. Breaking entails discarding or going beyond established norms. And the last one is blending. Blending involves combining different concepts to form or generate novel solutions. These cognitive strategies are not limited to only artists or engineers. They apply to all fields of human endeavors, from cooking to architecture. Applying these concepts to the evolution of gadgets, particularly how technology companies innovate and redesign devices to meet new demands and possibilities. Bending occurs when gadgets are modified without changing their fundamental purpose. For example, smartphones have evolved from basic cell phones with limited features to highly advanced multifunctional devices. The smartphone bent the traditional idea of a phone by adding features like camera, internet browsing, and applications, while still maintaining its primary function as a communication tool. Breaking, on the other hand, is evident in the shift from device with separate single-use functions such as a phone for calls, a camera for photos, and a computer for work, to multifunctional gadgets. This shift broke the boundaries of what a gadget could do. The tablet or iPad, for instance, break the traditional model of computers by offering portability and touchscreen interfaces, challenging the notion that computing needed to be tied off to a bulky desktop or laptop. Lastly, blending occurs when different technologies or features are combined into one device. The smartwatch is a perfect example, blending the functionality of a watch, a fitness tracker, and a communication device. By integrating features from health devices like heart rate monitoring, phones for notifications and calls, and a traditional watch for timekeeping, the smartwatch creates a new category of wearable technology that merges these different capabilities.
The authors argue that a creative environment requires both flexibility and openness, and that a willingness to explore various possibilities leads for richer creative outcomes. They emphasize the importance and maintaining an adaptable mindset throughout the creative process. One key idea that they introduce is scouting at different devices, which involve considering both short-term and long-term perspectives when engaging in creative thinking. By planning with an eye on the future, while addressing immediate concern, individuals and organizations can navigate complexities of innovations more effectively.
Eagleman and Brand also assert that risk-taking is a crucial aspect of the creative process. An innovation often involves uncertainty and the possibility of failure. The authors encourage readers to embrace risk as an integral part of creativity, arguing that many significant breakthroughs emerge from willingness to experiment and learn from mistakes. Additionally, they propose that creativity should be central tenet of education, advocating for the curricula that promotes problem-solving, curiosity, and imaginative thinking. In contrast to the traditional educational system that emphasize rote memorization and standardized testing, they highlight that by nurturing creative skills in students, tutors can better prepare them for a future that increasingly relies on innovation.
In the final chapter, Eagleman and Brand explore the future of human creativity in a world that is becoming increasingly automated. As machines take over repetitive tasks, the authors argue that creativity will become the most valuable asset. They urge individuals, organizations, and educational systems to embrace this shift and prioritize cultivation of creativity.
Now, can you imagine a world without creativity? There will be no clothes, no books, no shoes, no phones, and no internet.
By breaking away the traditional methods or ideas, individuals can unlock new approaches to solving problems. The book encourages creative thinking and innovation, helping people find better, more efficient ways to accomplish tasks. Applying the concept of bending, breaking, and blending in our life, we can find new, more satisfying, and comfortable ways of living. This can lead to innovations in how they manage time, relationships, or personal growth. Authors conclude that creativity is not optional. It is fundamental to human existence and progress. The book calls for a re-evaluation of how we approach innovation in all areas of life. Eigelman and Bratt emphasize that as the world evolves, so too must our understanding of creativity and its role in shaping the future.
Let us all innovate in creative ways. This is the true power of restless brains.